Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. The iterative formula below has the starting value x1 equal to 1. Use this formula to find the values x2 and x3. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. An iterative formula like this is used to find approximate values of a specific mathematical quantity. This formula is an example of a fixed point iterative method, sometimes used to find roots of equations or approximate values of functions. We begin with the value of x1 given to us in the question. Then apply the formula repeatedly to find values of x2 and x3, and so on. With each iteration improving on the approximation from the previous result to achieve convergence towards a more accurate solution. So, in this question, we find x2 using the value given to us for x1, then use that solution to find x3. So, x2 is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by x1. And x1 is given the value 1 in the question. So 1 plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. And x3 is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by x2, and we just found the value of x2, which was 2. So 1 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus a half, which is equal to 1.5. So the values of x2 and x3 are 2 and 1.5 respectively. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.